Some little... Woo! Woohoo! Cheers!
Happy birthday.
Oh, did I make you spill?
No.
Yeah.
Wait.
What does it say?
Game!
One of us is going to choose a genre and act it out. Oh, they got it! Country! Yes! Oh. Okay, this is Karma Police. This is a speed tutorial. We're starting with an A minor. We'll send you one of these t-shirts. Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Piano Picnic!
One more time. Happy birthday.
Hello there. I'm Parabola West, and this is a special happy birthday message to Piano Picnic.
Ruth, you've done an incredible job, and I'm delighted to be able to wish you a happy birthday on this very special 4th birthday.
Super happy birthday shout out to my friend Ruth Power, the piano priestess herself, and with Piano Picnic reaching its 4th anniversary. How exciting, dude! You do amazing things, and I love seeing all of your videos, all of your content, and how everybody's so excited to be able to play the piano.
Most happiest of birthdays to Piano Picnic. I cannot believe it's been 4 years. That is such an awesome accomplishment. I love absolutely everything that you're doing there and what you're standing for, because I just think it's so important. It's not something that's talked about enough.
It's no wonder Piano Picnic is still going strong with all the energy and enthusiasm and expertise Ruth brings to everything. Just wanted to say congratulations and well done on hitting this big milestone, and wishing you many more happy and successful years ahead from me and the whole Musical U team.
Hi, this is Valerie. What I like about Piano Picnic lessons are that they are very short and they only focus on 1 or 2 things at a time so that a person doesn't get stressed out.
Noella!
Da, 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 da.
This is
Just a little
final
bit.
toast to Piano Picnic,
To Piano Picnic.
all the people that have supported us so far, and all you wonderful students who are passionate about piano. Love you all.
And to you for all of your crazy hard work all of the time.
Crazy.
I'm sure you all agree.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy 4th birthday.